through Castle County in northern Delaware, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2.5 to 3.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include West Chester, Westtown, Kennett Square, Oxford, West Grove, Landenberg, Hackensack, North Star, Ashland, Pike Creek, Kimberville, and Marshallton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Terryville to near Hamlet to Morris Park, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour winds and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Lansdale, Bristol, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Hatboro, Stoughton, Bedminster, Ambler, Davidtown, Narberth, Jalbon, and Pinnacle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damage conditions, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: